don't know packing unless you've packed everything in a Ziploc bag, taken a straw, and sucked all the air out of it to compress it, to pack more things. That's what I do. Hey you, welcome or welcome back to The Flo Show with your curvy girl, Flo. My channel is all about looking fierce. Oh my God. I literally forgot my tagline because I haven't filmed in so long and I'm sorry, really sorry. My channel is all about looking fierce, staying frugal, and feeling absolutely fabulous at any size. So if any or all of those things sound good to you, I would suggest clicking the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all of my socials, they'll be linked below. It's just CurvyGurlFlo on everything. So follow me everywhere. Stalk me. Don't do that. So you're probably like, where have you been? Or maybe you're not, like, whatever. I'm sorry it's been so long. I literally have filmed this video like probably 3 times, and when you do that, you just get a little bit like over the process of doing it.
Hey you, welcome or welcome back to The Flo Show.
It's kind of annoying. So I have tried to do this pack with me video for like over a month, probably. I tried to film the like packing with me process before my trip and I was not organized enough for that. And then I tried to film while I was away and like the whole intro that I filmed, I was like, this is okay. Then I got home and I realized like, no, the audio was like brutal. There were people walking past my window, white pants, whatever. That annoyed me. And then I had all these other ideas, but then I felt stuck on like this one video and here we are, weeks later, a month later. Sorry. Anyway, this probably isn't like the best video that I've ever put together, but I just still wanted to share like some of the vlogging footage / the outfits that I wore on my trip. And I promise my next ones will be better. Well, I don't know if I can promise that, but I'll try harder. Today's video is brought to you in part by, well, like not sponsored, but I'm sharing this awesome package that I received from Postshe. They sent me this beautiful PR package of intimates that are so cute and, more importantly, size inclusive. They offer underwear and swimwear for women sizes like 8 to 32, I want to say. I wasn't expecting to feel any type of way about these products, but they actually feel like super amazing on. The sports bra is a literal staple piece for me now. It's the bra I didn't know I needed. I wore it to bed almost every single night of my trip. Yes, I wear bras to bed. Like, don't fight me. You will never change my mind. The underwear are so incredibly soft and comfortable. I figured they were just like your typical seamless style materials when I felt them, but I think the coolest part of them is the way that the material stretches and contours, but it still hugs your frame. They just they grow and retract with your body, which is amazing. No more like sometimes my underwear, after you wear them a bit, they get stretched out. They're just kind of like baggy in the crotch. But if I buy them a size smaller, then they don't fit on my hips properly. Anyway, I just thought I would share them with you. Also, they claim to use 100% biodegradable packaging and have ethical factories. So that's what they said. They did not pay me to say any of that, but they sent me this PR package and I thought they were awesome. So I thought I would share them with you. So, okay, let me tell you a bit about my trip before we get into some footage. I actually went on this trip as a nanny, which was pretty amazing. So I went there for work. You're probably like, what the hell? Yeah, that's what I was like. I was like, this is the most amazing job I've ever been offered. So yeah. We went to Turks and Caicos, but I didn't vlog like I would if I had just gone on my own, you know? So I just have some snippets of our trip. We stayed in a beautiful house, which was awesome. Minutes from the beach, beautiful. I was gonna make this like a pack with me video explaining how I pack, which like, honestly, you probably don't care. And if you do care, then the next time I go on a trip, I will make one. I basically just like, I'm gonna show you the outfits that I wore and like a compilation of videos from my trip. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I really didn't want to like overpack, so although I did bring like 8 bathing suits for 11 days. That's fine. It was like 10 days. I don't know math. There was 2 travel days, 11-ish days. So I'll do a little montage of like all the bathing suits I brought and some of the outfits that I wore and the rest of my trip, like what footage I managed to get. Starting now.
So like I said, I brought 8 bathing suits. Since I went as a nanny, my goal was to bring my most family-friendly options. And to simplify my packing, I stuck with 2 core color schemes. So I had 3 green one pieces, 3 warm colors, red, orange, and pink. And then I had 1 black and white one piece. And then I brought a long sleeve swim top to wear with the only bikini I brought in case I had a moment to myself to tan, which I didn't really. My bathing suits were really just my staple items for the trip. So then almost everything else was planned as cover-up options for them. And since I was trying not to overpack, it was important for me to evaluate. Do I need 2 white t-shirts? Do I need more than 1 light denim bottom? Do I need shorts and a skirt in the same color? No. So I brought what felt the most comfortable, practical, and versatile with like everything else that I was bringing. I probably would have brought a lot more fun clothes if I wasn't going to be working as a nanny. Like, I'm a dress and skirt gal, but that isn't always practical with kids. I also tried on all of the accessory options when I was trying on my packables. Just like with actual clothing, I can go overboard with the variety of accessories that I bring, so I wanted to make sure each one I brought had a purpose. I thought about bringing this look because, let's be honest, it's fire, but it's more of a look that I would wear on a trip with like my husband. Like, it's not particularly scandalous, but it's not like family friendly, you know? So I went with some more like oversized jeans, cleavage covering crop tops, maxi skirts, biker shorts. That was like the vibe of my packing. And that's pretty much it for my packing. So now I'll give you a little montage of my trip.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and as always, continuing to watch. I know it's been a little bit of a hiatus. I was in my head too much, and I've been a little bit busy with some other things. Maybe my next video will be talking about some upcoming projects I have. Yeah. That's so vague. Anyway, I think I already said this, but thank you so much for watching and continuing to watch. We are getting so close to 9,000 subscribers, which is super exciting. Like, when I hit that 10K, I'm gonna be like, ah! And 9K is just like the next step. It's just like the 9th floor, then we're going to the 10th floor, you know? So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make my dreams come true. And we'll see you in the next one. Stay fierce, frugal, and fabulous. And we'll see you next time.